Hello everyone. Okay, let's straight away get into the video. First select your language. For me it's English. Then your country and follow the steps. And let's connect to a hotspot, but Wi-Fi will be better. And click continue in data and privacy. Then set up your face ID and passcode, but I'll set up those up later. Then select transfer directly from iPhone, and in your old iPhone there should be a prompt for lock and unlock to show that prompt in your old iPhone. Click continue and scan the blue pattern that will show in your new iPhone using your old iPhone. Then it will automatically set up the settings and ask for the passcode of your old iPhone. Face ID setup later. And if you use iCloud and backed up to iCloud, select download from iCloud and transfer, but I will select transfer from iPhone since I have everything on this old iPhone, and agree to terms and conditions. Then click continue to start the migration, and continue in iMessage in FaceTime, and sometimes it will ask for a software update or it will start the transfer straight away. Here I will update and transfer. Okay, finally finishing the software update, and it will automatically start the migration. Here depends on the storage of the data in your old iPhone, the time will differ. In my case it took like 3 hours. After the transfer is complete, you can use passcode for your old iPhone to new iPhone. Continue, then connect your Wi-Fi by the way in your old iPhone if you want to keep your data in it or erase everything. And there are a few steps to end up. I don't want to share audio recordings with Apple, so not now. Standard in display zoom, and here we are finally. Welcome to iPhone, and all your apps will automatically download as long as you are connected to Wi-Fi, and it will connect your all accounts you don't want to log in. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to like and comment your opinion and subscribe, and we'll see you in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace out.